Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing group gifts. This is the most inexpensive way I found to do group gifts. I did this for about a group of about 20 and it didn't cost me that much money. So what I did was I got the frames from Goodwill. What you want to do is you want to spray paint the frames your color of your choice. I chose gold and I chose black for some. So you don't see me spraying them gold, but I did spray paint some of the frames gold. So what I'm going to do is take the back of the picture frame that usually comes for the picture frame, and you're going to actually pick some scrap paper that you like, and then you're going to fit it to the actual backing of the frame and then put it back together again. So stay tuned to the video. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below in the description box and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys for watching and enjoy the video.